So now consider current flow into loop 1 is I1 and loop 2 is I2 and loop 3 is I3. Loop 3 is I3. So write KVL in loop 1. So KVL is loop 1. You are having resistance RL R. So you are having plus minus plus minus plus minus. Here we are having plus minus. So you can write the KVL equation. Apply KVL in loop 1. So apply KVL in loop 1. RL I1 plus one by j omega c into I1 plus 1 by, here is you are having I2 current, here you are having I1. So we can write I1 minus I2 into R. Here you are having plus sign here, so plus HFE instead of IB, substitute I3. I3 RL is equal to 0. By simplifying, you will get R plus RL plus 1 by j omega c into 1 by j omega c into I1 minus R I2 plus HFE RL I3 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, if you are writing KVL in loop 2, so apply KVL in loop 2. Loop 2, having I2, here current flow is I2 minus I1. So I2 minus I1 into R plus I2 into 1 by j omega c, I2 into 1 by j omega c, here plus minus plus minus plus minus. So plus I2 minus I3 is equal I3 into this R, which is equal to 0. By simplifying, you will get minus R I1 plus 2R plus 1 by j omega c into I2 minus R I3 is equal to 0. Similarly, write KVL in, apply KVL in equation 3. So you will get if you are applying KVL in loop 3, apply KVL in loop 3, you will get minus RI2 plus 2R plus 1 by j omega c into I3 is equal to 0. So I am taking this as equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. From these three equations, we can form a matrix. We can form a matrix. So, we have current I1, I2, I3. So, coefficient of I1 is R plus RL plus 1 by j omega c. Coefficient of I2 is minus R. Coefficient of I3 is equal to HFE RL. Similarly, from second equation we can write minus R, 2R plus 1 by j omega c, 2R plus 1 by j omega c, HFE RL. Here we have minus R. Coefficient of R, I3 is minus R. Here we have coefficient of, sorry, this is I2. So coefficient of I1 is 0, minus R. Sorry. So in the equation 3, we are having coefficient of I1 is 0, I2 is minus R, I3 is 2R plus 1 by j omega c into I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So our aim is to calculate frequency of oscillation and minimum value of HFE. So for that we have to equate determinant of this matrix is 0. So that you are getting the equation. So from this so actually this is a little complex derivation. So I am sharing PDF in our WhatsApp group. So kindly refer it. So to find frequency of oscillation and HFE minimum value, we equate this determinant value is equal to 0. So this R plus RL plus 1 by j omega c minus R HFE RL minus R 2R plus 1 by j omega c minus R 0 minus R 2R plus 1 by j omega c is equal to 0. So after deriving, you will get, if you are getting imaginary part means you will get frequency of oscillation F0 is equal to, or F frequency of oscillation F is equal to frequency of oscillation F is equal to frequency of oscillation F is equal to 1 by 2 by RC into 6 plus 4K, where this K value is equal to RC by R, that is RL by R, load resistance by R value, in feedback resistance R. So frequency of oscillation F is equal to 1 by 2 by RC into root of 6 plus 4K. This is very important equation, and HFE value is equal to 29 by K plus 23 plus 4K, where K is equal to RL by R. So to get minimum value of HFE for sustained oscillation, differentiate this HFE with respect to K. So differentiate this HFE with respect to K and equate to 0. You will get HFE minimum value, which is equal to 44.5. So for derivation part, refer PDF document in WhatsApp group. So these two equations are very important. F is equal to 1 by 2 by RC into root of 6 plus 4K, and where HFE value is equal to 29 by K plus 23 plus 4K. To get minimum value of HFE, differentiate this HFE with respect to K and equate it to 0. You will get HFE minimum is equal to 44.5.